Iginit po ni Vice President Sara Duterte na mas lumalim ang kanyang ugnayan sa kanyang kapatid na si Kitty Duterte at sa kanyang ama na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa gitna ng mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan ng kanilang pamilya. Pinasalamatan din ni VP Sara si Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Alamin natin kung bakit sa report ni Anton Cero.
Ibinahagi ni Vice President Sara Duterte ang kanyang pasasalamat kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. dahil sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon na nagbigay daan sa kanilang pagkakaayos ng kanyang ama, si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, sabay na dumalaw sina Vice President Sara Duterte, Veronica Kitty Duterte at Hanilit Avancenia kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa loob ng International Criminal Court o ICC Detention Center sa The Hague, Netherlands nitong Martes.
But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside. I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
I was updating him with the situation with our families, and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. Ngayon, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Pagdating naman sa plano ng iba pang anak ng dating Pangulo na sina Mayor Sebastian at Congressman Paulo Duterte na bumisita, sinabi ni Kitty na inaayos pa nila ang schedule.
So there are plans naman. We arrange this pag-aalis yung isa, may dadating na naman na isa. So as of now, we are arranging all the dates since most of them are busy with the campaign. Yeah.
Sa kabila ng pagsubok na pinagdaanan ng kanilang pamilya, sinabi ni VP Sara na nagkaroon siya ng mas malalim na ugnayan kay Kitty Duterte.
I'm blessed because I gained a sister with what happened to me after the attacks, the confidential funds attacks, the impeachment, and we have a relationship now. I have a relationship with Kitty, and I'm happy now.
Pinasalamatan din niya si Marcos Jr. dahil niya nagkaroon ng pagkakataon para sa pagpapatawad sa pagitan niya at ng kanyang ama.
I'm happy as well, and this really is ironic, but I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives, and we have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about the family.
Dahil dito, nagkaroon umano sila ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng mas maayos na ugnayan bilang mag-ama. Ito na niya ang pinakamahabang pag-uusap nila ni dating Pangulong Duterte dahil habang siya'y lumalaki ay busy ang dating Pangulo sa kanyang trabaho.
One of the longest meetings I have had with the former president. Growing up, he was always busy with work, he was always busy with the country, and now I have this every day. With him talking about life, talking about family, and for that I feel like I am blessed.
Sinangayunan nito ni Kitty at sinabing ikinatuwa ng kanilang ama na nagkakaisa silang mga magkakapatid.
The family has never been more united, not just with us siblings, but with everyone else in the family. So he's happy to hear that, and not just us, sa mga supporters.
Sa tanong kung may paghihinayang ba na tumakbo si dating Pangulong Duterte sa pambansang politika noong 2016, iginit ni VP Sara na wala ng saysay ang pagsisisi sa nakaraan.
I really believe that it's futile to regret decisions made in the past, because I believe that everything happens for a reason. Whatever it is that happened in the past, I think we should just learn from it and then move forward.
Tungkol naman sa tanong kung sinisisi ba siya ng kanyang ama sa naging tandem niya kay Marcos Jr. ng halalan, sinabi ni VP Sara na hindi kailanman ito nagbitaw ng anumang salita tungkol dito.
Ever since, wala siyang sinabi sa akin na ganyan. Even when I ran for Vice President, ma'am, wala naman talaga siya sinabi. Sinabi lang niya, hindi na ako sasali dyan. Kayo nang magdesisyon yan. Yan lang yung sinabi niya when he was told by one of my siblings that I'm running for Vice President.
Dagdag pa niya, naniniwala siyang hindi ugali ng kanyang ama ang sisihin ang iba.
I don't remember PRD na naninisi.
Naninisi. Wala.
Never. Kasi I always remember him. I don't know, Kit, with you, but I always remember him when I was growing up. He would always say, you make your own history in this world. So you always answer to your decisions. So I think that is his philosophy as well. So he doesn't blame anyone with what happened.
Mula dito sa The Hague, Netherlands, ito si Anton Cero, ang inyong Global Citizen Correspondent, SMNI News.